Okay, we have here the equation of a curve, which is connecting x on the right-hand side and y, and it says show that y is 4 when x is 2. Now, I'm going to only put in 2 rather than 4 as well. So I'm going to say when x is equal to 2, let's just substitute it into this equation. Y is going to be 2 cubed minus 6 lots of 2 squared plus 20. Now, if we work that out, 2 cubed is 8. Take away 6 times 4, well that's 24, plus 20. Now if we add the positives, 20 and 8 is 28. 28 take away 24 gives us 4, which is correct. Okay, question asks us to show that y is 4 when x is 2, and it is. Okay, next thing you need to do here is complete a table of values. Best way to do that is to use the table function on your calculator. So use your calculator and you need to press mode, and then you need to choose table. And yeah, once you've got table, what appears on the screen is f of x, and you then have to type in, so you need to use, you need to write alpha x, so you write alpha x, and then you cube it, so that's to the power 3. Okay, minus 6 alpha x squared plus 20. Okay, the question will then, it'll then say, well, where do you want to start? So you say start at -1. Okay, where do you want to end? So you'll say I want to end at 5. I want to end at 6 rather, because the table goes from -1 to 6. The step it'll ask you for next, and you need to go up in steps of 1. Look. Okay, and then it should give you the table. The numbers that you will get, it'll have them going down vertically, but it's the same sort of idea. You should get here 13, 20, 15, 4, -7, -12, -5, and 20. So the next thing you need to do is plot those points on the axes that they've given you. First point is -1, 13. Well, each square is 1 unit here, so that's quite easy. 0, 20 is there, 1, 15 is there, 2, 4 is there, 3 minus 7 is there, 4 minus 12 is there, 5 minus 5 rather is there, and 6 takes you right back up to 20. So you can see the curve is looking like that. It's difficult for me to do on a computer, but you should be able to join these up there into a smooth curve that should go through all of those points. There you go. Okay, let's have a look at the next bit. Question says, for the curve with this equation, so same equation as over here, what is dy by dx? Now remember, for dy by dx, if you've got x to the power n, you put the power in front and it becomes nx, and then you reduce the power by 1. So x cubed is going to become 3x squared. For this one, we do -6 times 2, because if you've got ax to the power n, we multiply these two numbers together, an x to the power n minus 1. We've got -6 times 2, well that's -12 x to the power, now 2 becomes 1, so I don't need to write anything. And if you've just got numbers when you differentiate them, they just disappear completely. So that is dy by dx. Down here, we're asked to find the gradient of the curve when x is -3. Well, remember, dy by dx tells you the gradient of a curve. All you need to do is substitute in the x value into this equation. So you're going to do 3 times -3 squared minus 12 times -3. I'll put that in a bracket as well. You can do this on a calculator. It's a bit fiddly on the calculator. So I'm going to square -3. Well, I know that's going to be 9, because if you square a negative number, you get a positive number. And then -12 times -3 is plus 3 times 12, which is 36. So this comes out as 3 times 9, so that's 27, plus 36. And if we add those together, we get 63. So when x is -3, the gradient of the curve is 60.